Hello everybody, this is Micah with Food Travelers, and in this episode we're sharing our experience staying at the Sokha Phnom Penh Hotel in Cambodia. It is located right by the Kroi Travar ferry, which is within walking distance, and there's views of the Tongla Sap River and Mekong River on either side of the hotel. The Sokha Hotel has served as a key venue and residence for major world leaders during the US ASEAN Summit and the 17th East Asia Summit meetings. There are photos of the world leaders displayed in the hotel lobby, and it is a very large hotel with 549 guest rooms, 195 surface apartments. They have massive conference facilities and banquet halls, and it is about 14 kilometers or 35 minutes drive from the current Phnom Penh International Airport, and about 20 minutes away by car, or 6.5 kilometers, about a 10-minute ferry ride to the Royal Palace of Cambodia, which can also be seen from our hotel room. And on the website, it did mention there is a washing machine. However, in our room, we did not notice there was a washing machine. In the bathrooms, it does include plenty of towels, hair dryer, toothbrush, toothpaste, comb, walk-in rain shower, and the shower is very spacious, and the water pressure was very good as well. It is about a 10-minute ferry ride to the National Museum, about 9.6 kilometers from the Aeon Mall, and about 5 kilometers from the Wat Phnom and night market area. The hotel has 2 large outdoor pools, a indoor-outdoor tennis courts. We were able to view the outdoor tennis courts from our hotel room, along with the large parking lot that was right out front of the hotel. The Sokha Hotel is split up by 2 sides. There's the hotel side and the residence side. We stayed at the residence side in the Mekong Suite, which was a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom combination room. There is a full-size bathroom with a tub and shower, and a 3/4 bathroom side at the entryway with just a shower. So the room size is 104 square meters. It does include Wi-Fi connection throughout the entire room. There is also 24-hour room service. It's fully furnished, and there's a full kitchen, cooking stove, microwave, and in the kitchen, as you can see, there is a large refrigerator, and there's plenty of counter space and space for any utensils that you have or require to prepare your meal in your room, if that is something you choose to do. There's also a sitting area with 2 chairs, a sofa area with fruits, and there's a water kettle to boil hot water for your tea or to make your instant coffee. And throughout the hotel room, we did notice there's plenty of complimentary drinking water. There's also a total of 3 TVs, one in the family room or the sitting room, and 1 TV in each of the bedrooms. When we arrived, it was past midnight. It was pretty dark, so I was trying to share a view of the outside with the night view and also the daytime view. The daytime view is much nicer. You can definitely see across the river, and you're able to see the Royal Palace and see all the big buildings across the way. And as you see in the video, there's plenty of parking spaces and tennis courts towards the outskirts of the parking lot. So in the bedroom, there are fruits, and those fruits are complimentary, and you can eat as much as you want or as little as you want. Moving along to the master bedroom. The master bedroom has its own bathroom with 2 sinks. There's also a scale, and only the master bedroom has the scale. In the secondary bathroom, there's no scale. And you do have all your utensils that you need, the same in both bathrooms, with the razor, a comb, toothbrush, toothpaste, soap. One thing I did wish the hotel offered was some USB-C or USB plugs. The tub was a nice added feature. If that's something you are into, you can soak in that tub. And in the master bedroom, it does have a coat hanger, and you also have that nice view of the riverside there. And only in the master bedroom is where you will find a safety box in the closet area. And in the closet, you'll also find slippers and bathrobes. And in both of the living room or sitting room and the master bedroom, you will have blackout curtains. What I really liked about this hotel was how quiet the environment was. It's a little bit further away from the city side, so or the Royal Palace side where all the tourist areas are, and it's way quieter. You get a really good night's sleep. The AC in the room stayed very cold throughout our stay here. It was very consistent. It was more of a central air system, and you are able to set the temperature to pretty cold if that is something you like. There are a lot of hotels that we stayed at where the hotel has it capped at a certain temperature, and you're not able to get as cool as you may prefer. The beds were pretty firm, I must say. It's definitely not on the softer side. The pillows are on the softer side, but the bed mattress itself is pretty firm, which was good for me. I did also want to mention the windows in the bedroom. You're not able to open them, they are locked. Moving along to the second bedroom here, you can see as you enter the room, there's also a TV and plenty of storage underneath the TV. There's also 2 beds inside the secondary bedroom. And in the closet, just like the other bedroom, the master bedroom, there's also plenty of coat hangers. There's also slippers and bathrobe. One thing I did want to mention with the secondary bedroom, where there is a light inside the closet, I could not find any button or any way to turn those lights off from the lights coming out of the closet area. It's nice in a way where it kind of projects as like a night light, but at the same time, if you're light sensitive and you're trying to get some good night's sleep, they can be kind of irritating there. But overall, I did really enjoy this hotel stay. I would definitely come back again, as there's plenty of parking or plenty of space to sleep. It's very comfortable and it's a very nice, quiet environment.
If you've enjoyed the content you've seen, don't forget to support the channel and hit like and subscribe. And if you want to see additional pictures of food and our travels, go over to our Instagram page and follow us there. And thanks for watching.